Farabi,
which row shows a conductor and an insulator?
which row shows a conductor and an insulator?
Insulator.
Yeah. Now say it's very easy, right? Already you got two more questions like this. So you can do it now. Say Farabi now. Which one is your answer? Farabi?
Sir, aluminum and glass?
Yeah, aluminum and glass. That means you are taking Bangladesh, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, correct. Very good. So don't hide, huh? You be here. Maybe wrong, maybe right. Don't feel shy. Okay, it's okay. It's fine. We will discuss. Continue 16, Farabi.
A positively charged rod is brought near to an isolated uncharged conducting sphere. What are the charges on sides x and y of the sphere? Both x and y are positively charged. Both x and y are negatively charged. X is positively charged and y is negatively charged. X is negatively charged and y is positively
So we
charged.
got also many questions, maybe more 4 or 5 questions like the similar idea. So you can easily find it. All of you can easily find it, and it's not Earth, right? It's not Earth yet. So you can get the idea. What should be the answer? X will be negatively charged or positively charged.
Sir, negative.
And Y will be which charged? Hello? It is not Earth. Mind it. This one you have to bring in your mind. It's not Earth yet. So that condition Y, what will be Y?
Positive.
Positively charged. Yes. Because this side is negative, the other side will be positive. Okay. So what is your answer, Farabi now? Hello, Farabi. The answer is Maimuna. The answer is
Sir, C.
C.
No, sir, it's D.
D. Yes. X is negatively charged and Y is positively charged. Yeah, be confident about your understanding. Okay. 16 is done. Another easy question. Very easy question. So, Maimuna, you continue this. 17.
A small uncharged metal sphere hangs from an insulated thread. A negatively charged rod moves close to the sphere. Which diagram shows the charges on the sphere and its final position?
Yeah, we are having here negatively charged rod. So, the metal sphere will be uh, attracted, right? This is the first idea. It will be attracted, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And why it is attracted? It's like the magnetism. Like we brought one unmagnetized iron bar closer to a bar magnet. That time it was attracted. Why? The iron bar became induced magnet, right?
Yes,
Isn't
sir.
it? The bar magnets closer end, if it is north, then the iron bars closer end will be south, the other side will be north, right? And we said finally that unlike charges attracted, right? Isn't it? So Here also will
Yes,
be
sir.
the same thing like you got here in this question you got the same thing it will be here. The closer part of the negative, the closer part of the negative of this sphere will be positive left side. That means left side of the metal sphere will be positive and right side will be negative. And as there is positive charge closer to this, negatively charged rod, that's why due to the rule that is unlike charges attract, it will be attracted and the metal sphere will be closer to the negatively charged rod. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
So it's about the induction, right? Induced charge. So the answer will be A. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Hello, what about others? Have you
Yes, sir.
understood, everyone? Yeah. If you don't understand, then let me know, okay? Now, another easy question. 18. Yeah, continue. Maimuna, continue.
A student rubs a rod held in his hand. Which action caused the rod to gain a large electrostatic charge?
Yeah. Yeah, what is your answer, Maimuna? For each of the questions, we have some key ideas. For this question also, we have some key ideas. Very basic. And you got the notes on it. All of you got the notes on it. So why you are taking so long time? Uh, yeah, look here. Can you read it, please?
Some
Hello.
insulating materials become electrically charged when they are rubbed together. A substance that gains electrons becomes negatively charged, while a substance that loses electrons becomes positively charged. Charges that are the same repel, and unlike charges attract. Electrostatic precipitators, photocopiers, and laser printers make practical use of electrostatic charges.
Okay, so here you got at the beginning the ideas. Insulating materials become electrically charged. This is the key idea. So
Yes, sir.
to become electrically charged or electrostatic charge or static electricity, we must have to rub two insulators. If you are rubbing one insulator and one conductor, then you won't get static electricity or electrostatic charges. Got it? Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So this is the key idea that you must have to rub two insulators. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
So in your notes, whether you are writing in your copy or in your worksheet, you should take this that to get, this is key idea, okay? To get electrostatic charge, uh, static electricity or electrostatic charge, we have to rub two insulators. To get static electricity or electrostatic charge, we have to rub two insulators. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is key idea. So these key ideas always should have in your mind. Then you can pick the options quickly. So what is your answer for this question,
Sir
Maimuna?
D.
D. Everyone got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Taking the snap. Yeah. Who is now? Now I think all of you became much more smarter. Now anyone can answer. Now Monica, go with 19.
Two metal pairs X and Y are on insulating bases. Both pairs are negatively charged. Which pair X is moved towards pair Y until they almost touch? Which diagram shows the final pattern of charges?
Yeah, now you can get it, right? Both are negatively charged, right? And
Yes,
if they
sir.
are brought closer, what will happen to them?
They will repel.
Repel. Then which one is most appropriate here? If they are repelling, if anything is repelling with other thing, then what happens? They move away, right?
Yes, sir.
So what should be your answer here?
C.
Yes. Taking so long? Yeah, 20. Continue 20.
A positively charged insulated metal pair is brought close to but does not touch other uncharged metal pair. Which diagram shows the charge distribution of these pairs?
Yeah, which one?
D.
Yes. I'm really happy as you can pick the correct one. Thank you so much. So why C is not correct? Hmm? Monica?
The positive electrons are far from each other to repel.
Hmm. Here in C is shown that wrongly, right? The negative should be left side, isn't it? And positive should be
Yes,
right side. And in the other sphere, positive should be closer to it. That's why it is wrong. Then for B, when the answer will be B, when the answer
when
will
it's
be B,
earthing,
hmm?
earthing,
if the answer sphere is Earth, then the answer will be B.
yes, sir.
Hmm. Okay, this way we should analyze the question, right? So that we can have more, elaborate and depth idea. And if you practice these 20 questions, any kind of questions coming from static electricity, you can answer from O level. These type of questions are only coming, around the, all the series like May, June, October, November 2020. If you search that, these similar questions are coming again and again. So you continue structured part. Yeah, Monica.
Figure 1.1 shows a negatively charged rod close to an uncharged metal sphere that is mounted on an insulating stand. 1. Suggest a material for insulating stand.
Yeah,
Glass.
glass. Okay, it can be plastic or rubber, right? Or
Glass.
wood.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then continue.
On figure 1.1, draw the distribution of charges on the sphere.
Okay, can you do it? Can you show if I give you the permission?
I'll
Hello,
try.
annotate, annotate. Can you show the distribution of charge, Monica? Are you doing?
Sir, it will be hard for me to
Sorry.
type with. It will be hard to like write
Okay,
something on the
who
side.
can do? Adrita can do.
Sorry, sir. Today I joined from my phone. So,
Okay, so it's the same idea you got here, right? All these questions we got the same idea. Huh? This question, then this question we got this same idea. Here we got the same idea. Hmm. Also here. Okay, so which one was answer for question 9?
B.
B. It was positively charged, right? Then here we got negative and other side we got positive. For that one, we have negatively charged rod, right? So what will be closer part? Positive.
Positive.
And the opposite side will be negative, right?
Negative.
So you just draw some, charges like this here, positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? So we also drew here 7, huh? And here will be negative, huh? Other side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Got it?
Yes,
Hello.
sir.
So we are done with the drawing, and also we here got the answer that you said glass. Then there could be wood or plastic, rubber. You write this, glass or wood or plastic, rubber. Done.
Yes, sir.
So we are taking the step of it also. Okay, now continue. Monica, continue.
3. A metal wire connecting to the earth is touched against the sphere. Explain what happens to the charge on the sphere.
So they are saying a metal wire connected to earth is touched against the sphere. That means sphere is connected to the ground, right?
Yes, sir.
Explain what happens to the charge on the sphere. What will happen then?
One side of the sphere will be neutral.
So you had here like this, right?
Yes, sir.
So now it is earth. Then what will happen? These electrons will be repelled by these electrons on the rod, right?
Yes, sir.
That's why the electrons will flow to the ground, right? And
Yes, sir.
this side will be neutral then, and only positive charges will be left in the sphere, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we write here electrons electrons from, okay, better we write this there. Okay, the diagram we are taking, 6. Electrons from the sphere will will travel towards the ground. The sphere only have positive charges Okay, have you understood everyone this part?
Yes, sir.
So we are taking a snap of it. Very important. Now the last part. Continue.
The arc wire remains in contact with the sphere. Describe what happens in the wire as the rod is moved away.
Okay. So this one is a bit, different condition. You never got this, option anyway in your notes or in your discussion. But the ideas you got, using those idea, you can find the answer. So let's go there back. We go back here. We had here positively charged, right? If it is earth, then we have here positive charge remains on it, right? Okay, I'm showing only this positive charges. So if it is earth, the condition is like that. Okay. Now the earth is still here, right? But the rod is removed, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So if the rod is removed from here, uh, these charges, they are not here at this corner. They will be uniformly distributed here, and the electrons will return back from the ground to the electrons will return back from the ground to neutralize these positive charges. Due to this negatively charged rod, the electrons left from here due to repulsion, and no more electrons were allowed to come here due to this repulsive force. Now, as the rod is removed from here, then it's getting the chance that there is no repulsion from here to receive the electrons. That's why electrons will flow from the ground to neutralize these positive charges. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All of you understood it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Mahi, Monica,
Yes, sir.
Farali, have you understood?
Sir.
Yeah, very good. So now I'm
Sir,
writing it. Yeah, sure. Tell me, Monica.
Will the sphere go back to uncharged like
Again,
before?
again say.
Will the sphere go back to being uncharged like before?
Yeah, yeah. The sphere, very good idea. I think your concept is very clear now. So the sphere will be now neutralized. Neutralized means uncharged, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So if you are saying uncharged, it is correct. If you are saying it is neutral, it is also correct. Okay, so you write here. Any background noise is coming from anyone? Electrons from Earth will flow towards the sphere to neutralize the positive charges. The sphere becomes uncharged. Okay, the information given by Monica, I'm also adding that. Whatever we wrote before the comma, that's all right to get the mark, but this one is more explanation. Okay, we are keeping Monica as part of our notes. Okay, that's why I included it. We have last 1 minute. By this last 1 minute, I'm just giving you the homework, showing what is left.
So it will be electrons from the ground, right?
Yeah, of course it is from the ground will flow towards the sphere. Electrons from the ground will flow towards the sphere. Okay? Yeah, thank you. So you have here some of the things you see left. Hello? How many questions are left? Are you seeing? Hello? Hello?
Yes, sir.
How many questions are left? So the rest of the questions you have